So giving you a little gist, CIMA is the institute, CGMA is the end designation, and FLP is a learning route. It's one of the entry route to attain your CGMA qualification. So FLP is more of, so there are different working professionals, they enter through different entry routes basis their educational background and work experience. And the exemptions are mapped in this FLP route. So FLP is a digital portal wherein all your learning and assessments take place. So I'll read out what's written in front. The CGMA Finance Leadership Program is an online, fully digital way to study for CIMA's CGMA professional qualification and get CGMA designation. All your learning, assessment, and case study exam preparation takes place within the platform. And your subscription includes your CIMA registration and membership, exam entry, and a full case study review course. You'll walk through different levels with your knowledge put to test via continuous assessments rather than sitting objective tests. At the end of each level, you'll sit the same case study exam as all other CGMA candidates to test your mastery of business concepts and ability to apply your knowledge and skills in real-world scenarios. So an advantage or a differentiation point of this digital entry route or this LMS portal, FLP, is that the candidate, the working professionals, they do not give the objective exams, they only give the case study exams. However, they will have to cover the objective papers by continuous assessments in the portal itself.